Howdy guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. We're going to do a distance test. We've got 48 volts times 2, so that's 8 of those batteries now on here. Plus this is running the inverter behind here, which is running the charger, which is charging them all up at the same time. So we're gonna do it and see how far we get, guys. So cool. Got 51 volts on the clock, and let's go for a tiki tour. Cool. Alright, buddy. See you when I get back. Cool. Will do. I'll try not to speed, yeah. Cool. Alright, guys. So we're doing a bit of a distance test. 48 volts times 2. And we're going to make it from here to the bridge and back. Actually, over the bridge, actually. Cool, guys. So far, so good. I'm not giving it everything. I just about am now. I just don't want to run these batteries out too fast. So I'm just being light on it at the moment. But yeah, we're doing a great speed. Oh. Wow, done a bit of a jump back there. The whole bike jumped off the ground. Pretty awesome, guys. Up to the bridge. So apparently up to the bridge here is 3 k's. So we're doing pretty good, guys. That's not bad. Yeah. Everybody's looking at me going, oh, what is that machine? Oh, wow. Wow, this thing is cool. I love it. Oh. Just gotta judge you. Oh, judge it right. Oh, this is bumpy. Oh, totally bumpy. See if we can outrun it. Here we go. Oh, sorry about that, guys. That was super bumpy. Woo. Alright. Awesome stuff. Oh, we are at our destination, guys. Oh. Wow, that was amazing. I hope this camera is still rolling. Oh, oh, absolutely cool. So, guys, try and get you out of my pocket, still rolling. I will see you in part 2 and see if this bike makes it all the way back, okay? So see you in part 2 coming up. Cool, cruzerman out.